Next is divisibility by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. Students, now see divisibility test by 5. So whenever you have a number, whether this number is divisible by 5 or not, what do we have to check here is we have to check the number at ones place. Okay, the number at ones place. If the number at ones place is either 0 or 5, if the number at ones place is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay, but if you have a number like this, now in this number at unit place, do you see 5 or 0? No, 5 or 0 is not at ones place, right? That means this number is not divisible by 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place will only be divisible by 5. Now next is divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. So for example, if we have 5 to 2, now in this case, this is an even number. Why? Because the number at ones place is even. That means this is an even number, means this number is divisible by 2. Now let's check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. To check the divisibility by 3, we need to add all the digits. So 5 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Is 9 a multiple of 3? Yes. That means this is also divisible by 3. Now see students, in this case, this number is divisible both by 2 and by 3. That means this number is also divisible by 6. Is it clear? Now if we have a number like this, now in this case, this is an odd number. Why? Because the number at ones place is an odd number, right? This is 3. So this is an odd number. So odd number, is it divisible by 2? No, this is not divisible by 2. Now let's check whether this is divisible by 3 or not. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now is 10 a multiple of 3? No. That means this number is neither divisible by 2 nor by 3. So this number will not be divisible by 6 also. Okay. Now let's take some other example. If I say 6, 5, 1. Now in this case, this is an odd number because 1 is at ones place. So this is an odd number, means this number is not divisible by 2. Now to check the divisibility by 3, we need to add all the digits. So 6 plus 5, it's 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes. That means this is divisible by 3. 6, 5, 1 is not divisible by 2, but this is divisible by 3. Now, to check the divisibility test by 6, the number must be divisible both by 2 and by 3. Now, in this case, this number is only divisible by 2. Only divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 2. That means this number is not divisible by 6. I hope students, you all understood the divisibility by 5 and 6.